In this video, I'll show you how to jailbreak your own iOS device by using AI. As you can see here, this is my phone, and this tutorial works with all iOS devices. You need to open your browser and go to codesgpt.com. Once you're here, this is how the website is going to look like. As you can see here, this is an AI site, and it gives you different options to get gift cards, but also to jailbreak your phone. And there is 3 options for iPhones. You can do Uncover, Checkra1n, or Checkra1n. In my case, I'll be using Checkra1n, and I'll show you how to use it yourself to jailbreak your device. Tap on the Checkra1n Jailbreak, and then you are going to see that this website is going to be using AI to search for the best way to jailbreak your phone by using Checkra1n, and it's going to give you a modified version of Checkra1n that works with all iOS devices. So here we are. It says here that to do your jailbreak, you need to go to this website, which is getjailbreaks.com. And once you go to getjailbreaks.com, we are going to get Checkra1n, which is going to jailbreak our phone, but it's also going to install Sileo, which is an app store that gives you tricks and, themes and mods for your phone. So tap on the Get button and then tap on Allow to start downloading the app, and then tap on Close. The next thing is that you need to go to Settings, and then you're going to see this tab that says Profile Downloaded. You need to tap on it, and then you need to tap on the Install button at the top right corner. This is going to install the app. But for that to happen, if you have a passcode, you need to enter it, and then you need to tap on the Next button, then tap on Install here at the top right again, and then one more time here at the bottom, and that's how you install Checkra1n. Now let me show you how to jailbreak your device. It's going to be very easy, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Once you get Checkra1n, you're going to be able to jailbreak your phone through it, but as I said before, you'll also get this app called Sileo, which is an app store that gives you themes, tricks, and more for your device. So the next step is you need to tap on the jailbreak button over here, and in the end it's going to ask you to verify your device. Now I have already done this before shooting the video tutorial, so I won't need to verify my device, but for you it's very important to do it if you want your phone to be fully jailbroken. So tap on the jailbreak button here, and as you can see here, the jailbreak is being completed, and Sileo is also being installed on your phone. And as I said several times before, Sileo is an app store that gives you themes for your phone, tricks and tweaks and all this kind of stuff that you can find and check by yourself. Alright, so the phone is almost jailbroken, and in the end, as I said, you'll get this new window that says jailbreak is almost completed, verify your device. Now, I have already verified it before shooting the video tutorial, but for you, you need to verify it. And as you can see here, this phone is jailbroken, and here at the bottom, you can see the menu has changed, which means that the jailbreak is completed and the theme has been already installed automatically. And as you can see here, I have Sileo as well, and it has different tweaks and themes and all this kind of stuff that you can get for your phone once you jailbreak your very own device.